Student, good morning. This is a flow chart to find out the biggest number among the three number. Okay, ABC. So I am explaining this flow chart, so you will be understand. So how the decision are being taken place here for comparison. So what we are doing first, we are comparing two numbers. Okay, look at this point. So start. This is a oval. Second is read A, B and C. Either you say read or you say input or you say accept. So you will accept three numbers in such a way in input output box, or you can say in parallelograms. Okay, then you have to compare two numbers. Look at this point. You have to compare two numbers, A greater than B. In case of yes, you have to, I am not considering no, only first I am taking yes. Is A greater than B? In case of yes, it is now clear in two numbers A and B, A is greater. Now because the question is we have to find out the greatest or biggest number among three numbers, so now A is being compared with the C. So what is happening here? See, we are coming in this decision box in case of yes, and we are comparing is A greater than C? Is A greater than C? Look at this point where this cursor is blinking. Is A greater than C? Again there will be two outgoing routes. One is no, another is yes. So I am again considering yes. Is A greater than C? So when we came at this point, so we came here only when we have clear that A is greater than B. Here we are finding A is also greater than C. Then we will say print A is the biggest number. So what we did, first we compare A with the B. In case of yes, we came at this point. Okay, now take the another point in case of no. Follow this route. In case of no, is A greater than B? No. It means which is greater? B is greater. So if B is greater, so B will be compared with the C. Look at this point where the cursor is blinking. Is B greater than C? I am again taking yes. If B is greater than C and B is greater than A, so it means B is the biggest one, and the flowchart will be stopped in this case. Which route we followed? Please concentrate at the blinking points. We follow these points. Okay, now in this decision box or in this diamond box, we consider only the yes and no case. Now come to this diamond box. In case of no means at this point A was greater than B, but when we compared A is A greater than C? In case of no, which one is greater? It means C is greater. In the same point here, you consider here when we went into the no case, after comparing that B is greater than A, when we are comparing A is greater than C. If no, it means which is greater? C is greater. So in this way we will complete the flow chart. So please go through it. What you have to do, you have to write the algorithm for this flow chart. Okay, thank you.